Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I like to show how to give a input to the Python program through Sublime-text. I have already shown you how to execute the Python program through the Sublime-text in the last video where we install the JD Python auto compilation to execute the Python program. So to give the input through the Sublime-text, we have to install the few packages again. So first go to the toolbar. In the toolbar go to the command palette. Inside the command palette, install package control. Hit the install package control. Inside the install package control, search for the SublimeRepl, and click the SublimeRepl, and it will install in the few seconds. And after that we have to configure the few code uh, which I have already written. So I like to copy this code. After that we have to configure this code to the preference. Under the preference, go to the key binding. In the key binding there is the to session, and we have to paste to the default Sublime key map. So I have pasted and the save. After the paste we have to exit the Sublime-text, and I like to open again. So to execute we have to I have shown here the in the preference, go to the key binding. Under the key binding there is the default key as the ctrl+alt+b. You can even the configure your own control key. Even you can go the desired key to the air key. So I like to again exit and again open and go to the ctrl+alt+b. Hit the ctrl+alt+b file base, ctrl+alt+b. Yeah, suppose I have given the code euler, enter. Hit the enter. It is showing to the code euler. Thank you for the watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.